On Draw Stuff Real Easy today, I'm going to show you how to draw this Norman soldier, but let's not talk about it. Let's do it. You're going to need a pen, a pencil and an eraser. And we need to fit this in. So I'm going to think that the head is going to be about there and the body is going to be about there and the legs are going to be about there. So we'll have the shield roughly about that length and the trouser chainmail stuff will go about there. And then we'll have a hand going up there and an axe fitting in roughly about there. So we want to start off with the helmet. And that's going to come across like that. With a little kind of band fitting there. And then the nose piece kind of sticks out forwards. And then we can draw in the face coming to about there. And then we're going to want the kind of chainmail bit coming like that, and then a little collar underneath, and we want to have an eye and a kind of a grrr kind of face and a fierce eyebrow and then we will want to put in the shield. So starting away from the body round about there, come up and around and down in a great big kind of teardrop shape like that. Come up a little bit like that and then draw what in typography terms we call an inline. So it's exactly the same but kind of smaller and on the inside. And let's put some kind of a pattern in there. So we'll have two circles and then maybe a smaller one there. And then that'll be the body coming down there. And we're going to want to have the arm coming up there, and we will have a cuff on the end, and then we have these kind of, it's kind of like a jumpsuit really, and that's going to come up there and down there like that. So it's kind of like a boiler suit with the legs cut off, and that will have a cuff as well. And then let's sort this bit out first. We want to have the thumb going over like that, and then 1, 2, 3 around like that, so that we can then draw the shaft of an axe coming up like that and across like that. There we go. And then we want to have the legs coming down here, quite spindly legs. So this design is really from the Bayeux Tapestry, from the Battle of Hastings, and we can do all sorts of things here. We can put little stripes in like that, and here we want to put in hundreds of circles, so this kind of represents the chain mail. While I'm doing all these circles, why not click this button down here and subscribe to Draw Stuff Real Easy. Keep coming back every week for lots more drawing videos, and why not let me know what kind of drawings you need. I think mostly they're kind of things for school projects and stuff like that. And if you do like this video, click that like button, and if you want to make a comment or anything, then put your comments in the comments box below. When you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase those pencil lines because you didn't press too hard. We could maybe put a little bit of pattern in here, and then I think we need an extra little bit in there as well, maybe a bit down at the front. I think in Bayeux Tapestry have this kind of curly bit at the bottom there, and maybe there are some arrows lying in the ground like that. I'm going to add an extra little bit of detail in there, just some little dots in there, maybe across the cuffs as well like that, just to add a little bit of interest. If you were to join me on Patreon, then I would show you how to paint this as well as loads of other stuff, including how to draw courses and things like that. So click up here and find out all about my Patreon page and how you can join me. But in the meantime, keep drawing, 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 practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.